Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML, and right now we'll be discussing about charset, character set. So the HTML charset attribute. To display HTML correctly, a web browser must know the character set used in the page. This is specified in the meta tag. Meta charset is equal to double quotes. Inside the double quote you have your UTF-8, UTF-8, and you close it with your greater than sign, right? So if not specified, UTF-8 is the default character set in HTML if not specified. So I'm going to show you how this looks in our document. Back to our document, we are having all this. Let me delete some of this because we don't need them right now. Let me save our document. As you can see, this one I'm having at the top here is UTF. I have already declared it here, but if not specified, UTF-8 is the default character set for the we need this. Let me leave this right now. Let's reload our document. Now, previous tutorial we discussed about UTF-8, and we said this one they are also UTF-8 code. They are from the UTF-8, and all these they are part of the Unicode character sets. So I'm going to show you something that you should know about it now. Let's check our document. When we remove this char set now, because the UTF is the default for the HTML, so these things, all these you are seeing right here, they are still going to display. That's what we are trying to understand right here. Let's reload. Can you see it's still displaying? So either you place it there or you don't place it there, it's still going to be, because it's the default character set for the HTML code you are writing. So if not specified, UTF-8 is the default character set in HTML. So if not specified, definitely if you don't specify this UTF-8, all the thing you will be writing inside your HTML, every letters, every characters, everything is from the UTF-8. Everything from the HTML, they are all from the UTF-8. So they are it's all the default character set in HTML. That's what I want to show you guys at the moment. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. But when we reach the UTF-8 topic, I'm going to discuss about it deeply, but please let us just get going gently. I don't want us to get confused right here. UTF-8, don't just have it in mind that this UTF-8 you are seeing right here is where they kept all these symbols you are seeing on inside this place you are seeing right here. They are part of the UTF-8 character set. So but you will not understand it yet until in the future you get to understand UTF-8 better. All these symbols, everything will be writing either space or comma or colon, anything you are seeing inside they are all part of the character set from the UTF-8. So that's all. Have a great day.